exciting afternoon because I just got something from the mail and let's open it together. So my SA texted me this and I don't even have plans in buying something since I already a lot of similar type of sandals. So this is sandals. It's actually a slide and it is something from Chanel. So this is, I think, the spring and summer collection, and this is it. And it's the, yeah, let's see. She tried this on and I just like the look on her foot that I just asked her to just order it for me. So this is the comes, and then the 2 dust bags. So 2 dust bags, and then this is the shoes. And this is it. So it's a quilted leather, which feels like very soft. And is this a lambskin? Is it? Let me see. Yes, it's in lambskin and it's $700 here in the US. And it has a small CC at the side. I like that it's just subtle. Like it doesn't really scream Chanel. And let's get the other pair. It looks like this together. So it looks like this up close, and when you put your foot in, it will look like that. And it has Chanel here, and at the bottom it looks like this, and it has like a rubber sole on it. Very pretty. Oh, I just hope that this will be strong enough to stand the wear. So this part is padded, and this one it forms the arch of your foot, that it's like a typical slide, but it forms the arch of your foot like Birkenstock. So I don't really know how this wear yet, but I will let you know once I'll get a good wear of it. Well, again, thank you for sharing this unboxing with me, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Bye.